Hi, this is Less Per Year, and I'm back again with another episode of How to Make Food. Today we're going to make homemade pancakes. They're delicious and they're easy to make. First, we have to start with our syrup, and the syrup that I use is the Foodie brand. That's our local grocery store or supermarket for you Gen Zers. And I think it tastes just as good as any of the higher brands. So this is what I'm using, Foodie pancake syrup. So let's get going. So how are we going to make homemade pancakes? Well, here's how we're going to do it. So we're going to use Kellogg's frozen Buttermilk Pancakes, and they are good. So this is something that is easy to make, and they are homemade. I call them homemade pancakes because I'm in my home and I'm making them. So these are homemade pancakes. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to open the top, and then we'll have a sleeve of 6 pancakes, okay? So what we want to do is just get 3 of them. So we'll tear that in 2. I guess we'll use this. We'll tear that in 2, and then we'll put these back so we can get them for another delicious meal. And so now we've got our 3 pancakes, and yes, they are frozen. So what we're going to do is that we're going to spread them out on the plate like that, and then we're going to go over to the microwave. So now we're at the microwave, and according to the instructions, for 3 pancakes, we should microwave them for 1 minute 15 seconds. 1 minute and 15 seconds, which would end up being 75 seconds. 60 plus 15, yeah, 75. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Be sure to use a plate or something that is microwave safe. And I'm going to go in this. And then I'm going to program 75. Hit the button. And now we've got our pancakes microwaving. It's finished. Okay. We'll take our plate out. And now we'll go back over to the counter and we'll begin to eat these bad boys. Okay, so we've got our 3 pancakes. So what I like to do is I like to stack them up on top of each other. Put them in the middle, kind of OCD that way. And now I've got my stack of delicious homemade pancakes. Now the last step is to take syrup, pour the syrup on it. I like a lot of syrup with my pancakes. As a matter of fact, some people say that I like my pancakes with my syrup, and that's about right. So I got a lot of syrup with my pancakes. Hey, got a little bit on me. That's okay. I can lick it off later. So here's what it looks like now. Pancakes with a lot of syrup, and then we'll cut into them, and we'll see what they taste like. Man, that is so good. That is so good. You have got to get some of these pancakes. You have got to make some of these. Oh. Well, I'm going to stay here and finish these pancakes. So I hope you have a great day and keep making food.